Now that we have signed up for rubygems.org to host our own RubyGems, all we need is to sign in from our terminal. That way we can push our RubyGems easily. To sign in from our terminal, open up your terminal and run gem sign in. And it will ask you for your email. In my case, it's rubymasterclass@pm.me, and give your password. API key name, we want to skip it, just press enter. Please select scopes. Index RubyGems, yes. Push RubyGem, yes. Yank RubyGem, yes. Add owner. For the time being, I will say no. I can just press enter. The default is no. Remove owner, no. Access webhooks, no. Show dashboard, no. And yeah, we are just signed in. So we can run gem push command and our gem name dot with say the gem extension, and we can push it. But we don't have any gem right now, so we cannot push it. I will be showing you how to make our Ruby gem, but for the time being, just stay signed in. In any case, if you want to sign out, just run gem sign out, and that's it. I do thank you for watching and hope that you have a great day.